Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Right now we are back with the S3 to give you guys another update. It's been 5 weeks since it broke down. Parts were back ordered from Canada, so it just took a while. So what Luis ended up getting was a HPA
FR 450 hybrid.
So you got a HPA FR 450 hybrid, which looks exactly the same as a stock one, literally, but it's they just do built internals. I guess that's the new thing, and it has one extra wheel on the extruder, so things are changing now. He also got a high pressure fuel pump from them for his setup because he is going stage 3, right?
Stage 3.
And I have some more wrap right here, so we're gonna rewrap this while I start taking it apart. He also got some maintenance things done. He had to get 2 oil filters because we're gonna do one primary flush, let the engine run for like 20 minutes so it can flush out anything that it could be inside of it. He also got a aluminum oil pan because the ones on these S3s are plastic. They're Audi and Volkswagen are going towards plastic more. We got some brand new bolts for the drive shaft, spark plugs, intake, and just a bunch of little maintenance. The O2 sensor that got demolished, and nuts, bolts that were missing. This is pretty cool, guys. They sell the tool now for your drain plug. I didn't know. I'm not into these new cars like that, but yeah, we're just gonna give you guys quick updates as we go around. We're gonna lift it up, and I'm gonna try to get on my little crate right here and work up top, trying to take everything apart while Luis tries to take out the oil pan so he could just work a little bit faster and move a little bit quicker. Drain the coolant. Yeah, it's a pretty straightforward job. I saw the instructions online. If I remember, I'll throw a link on them on the ones that I saw. But it's honestly pretty simple. Just be careful, take your time, and just try not to break anything. I'll just give you guys updates because it's not a tutorial. It's just what we're doing for our home personal cars. All right, guys. So I'm back with the slide update. We got everything ready for the turbo to be removed. This lower return oil line is a motherfucker. Like, seriously, guys, like, all this is decent. I can't say it's not, but you need a 12.8. So what I'm gonna invest in, and I'm recommending you guys even buy one before you even attempt this, get an extended one like these Allens, but in the 12-point version of it, because that's gonna save you so much time. Like, it was so hard to get that bolt out without feeling like you're gonna strip it. But Luis over here already has done he already did the aluminum oil pan, so that's done right there. We got that bucket in the back for some coolant. I rewrapped this downpipe already and put in the new O2 sensor, so we're practically getting ready. So our next time you see this, we're gonna give you guys an update and just compare everything from this turbo to the other turbo. Like I said, the other one has already the CTS turbo. What do they call this? Muffler. And this is already has this from CTS turbo. So those are going to be going on first sale. So if anybody's interested in, hit up Luis. I should put up his Instagram right over here. Yeah, so we're moving right along. Like I said, I'll give you guys another update once this turbo's out, and keep on moving. All right, guys, the turbo is out. Check it out. So we had to take off these I know they're for the cam timing. I don't know what they're actually called. I'm not gonna fucking sit here and pretend I know what I'm talking about, but yeah, we took those out. And turbo's out. We're here to, we pulled them both out, we set them down so you guys can see the difference. Look at the opening on this bad boy right here compared to this one. This turbo is trashed. Look at it, just fucking floats in there too. It's just garbage. But yeah, that's the difference. Like I said, our buddy Troy had already put one of those muffler delete things, and it was an original Audi turbo, as you guys could see. Those are the little pistons that I'm talking about. Forgot exactly what they're called. If anybody knows, correct me, please. So our next thing is set it in. We're gonna work on the high pressure fuel pump right now, so we could get that over with right now while we have everything off, and put in the turbo. We'll keep you guys tuned once we get a nice startup on this thing, because we're gonna prime oil into it, and I'll show you guys how I do it personally and how I was shown to do. All right guys, so we're back with another update here on this S3. We got the turbo in, as you guys can see. My flashlight just died, so might last a little bit. It's all there, everything's there. We already primed the system, so this is how I do it. This is how I was shown. I'll explain to you on the other turbo, but you put this on the end of the extruder, you prime it without the fuel injector or spark, whatever it is. On this car is Fuse 10, right?
Fuse 10.
Fuse 10, 15 amp. This very top one right here, it's for the
Fuel injectors?
It's for the fuel injectors firing. So that's what we got out of it, so that's what we did. First we primed it like that. We took off the fuse. I put that inside the housing and we cranked it over various times. How long was it? Like for
5-6 seconds.
5-6 seconds at a time. And then after that, we put the fuse back in. I held it, and then we turned on the car and I held it there for 5 seconds. So I just count 5 Mississippis and then pulled it out. That's how I was shown to do it. That's why I always do it that way, just so you make sure you know there's oil inside that turbo. Oh yeah, we checked the dipstick, the oil level went down, so there's oil everywhere on this thing. So let me show you guys in this housing real fast. Oh yeah, we don't have an extruder. I forgot about that. So I just put it like on the extruder like this, just hold it. It's very, very simple. But this one doesn't have one, so we can't show you how to do it. Yeah, but like I said, just put it in, hold it, count 5 seconds at a time. That's how, like I said, I was shown to do it. That's how I have always done it. This motherfucker's making a shit ton of mess. Damn it. Trying so much for a clean, whatever. Alright, but yeah, so it's primed. We're gonna do we're gonna start running the intake piping, put down the downpipe. We're just trying to make sure first that turbo is primed. Alright guys, so here's the last update we're gonna give you guys before we give you some pulls on this next video. Check it out, car is running. We got it all back together. There's some smoke coming out because everything's fresh, everything's new. Exhaust is fully back on, everything is on. We're gonna let it idle for 20 minutes, dump the oil, and put new oil again, change out the filter again, just in case if there's anything else left inside the system, which we've dropped the pan to make sure, but you never know. Again, thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Check us out on Instagram. Thanks.